Jesus, I want to thank you for what you did on Calvary for a sinner just like me. And Jesus, I am so grateful for your grace, so sufficient to set the whole world free. Oh, Jesus, I love you because you first loved me. I'm grateful, and I want the world to see you are my life, my joy, my all.